Looks like Operation Save the Horn is now underway. The team is showing incredible effort to get this overturned bulldozer back on its feet. The Cat Caterpillar 300A3K pipe layer made a quick getaway after being pulled up, but its bad luck continued. This Volvo really seems determined to handle that large rock, but it still needs the support of its team to make it through.
No, es carro pa. No.
What a risky driver underestimating the danger. At least he came out alive as a lesson for the next time. Even with its two rear wheels missing, this truck is still cruising smoothly around the construction site. What a shocking sight. The excavator went down, but thank goodness everyone is okay. The train was hitting so much snow, the engineer just laid on the horn the whole trip. The stubbornness has doubled. These two Volvos are perfectly synchronized in every shape. If I was his boss, I would have docked him for time wasting. Splitting that lift in two would have taken half the time. What a prat. The Suzako Industrial Sweeper, priced around $50,000, weighs 3,200 kilo. Its powerful 90 HP engine ensures efficient sweeping, while its compact dimensions, 2.5 mm x 1.2 melon, make it perfect for maneuvering in tight spaces. Built for durability and performance, it's ideal for large-scale cleaning projects. The UDS 214 sets a new standard in industrial machinery. With dimensions of 6 meters long, 2.5 meters wide, and 3 meters high, coupled with a competitive price tag of around $150,000, it offers superior performance and durability. Perfect for businesses seeking efficiency and cost-effectiveness. Adler Heater 500-750. E is your go-to solution for eco-friendly weed control. Designed for versatility and priced at $5,000, it delivers efficient performance with minimal noise and rapid setup. Perfect for maintaining clean surfaces without the hassle of traditional methods. Meet the Cable Plow, designed for precise cable installation with ease. It features robust construction, weighs approximately 1,500 kilo, and operates efficiently in various soil types. Priced competitively at around $20,000, it offers exceptional value for utility companies seeking reliability and performance. The 100 ECO hydraulic hammer is your go-to for efficient concrete slab demolition. Weighing 750 kilos and delivering 1,000 joules of impact energy, it ensures quick and precise results. At approximately $8,000, it's a smart investment for contractors needing reliable performance on site. Newson 803 Mini Excavator. Compact, competitive, and ready for any job with its 1.02-ton weight and dimensions. 2.75 m x 0.7 mer x 1.51 mars. Priced attractively, it features a 0.08 cubic meter bucket, blade, and rubber track for urban and confined spaces. Invest in this versatile excavator to streamline your construction projects efficiently.
Welcome to Mr. Tech. Prepare to be amazed by these daring adventures and the real-life dangers these guys encounter every day. Let's jump right in without any delay.
Man, that video took me back. That log pond is a smart move. Keeps the wood in prime condition and the bugs at bay. This is what real lumber is made of. The smell of fresh-cut wood, the rumble of the steam engine, the sight of those massive logs hitting the saw. It's a symphony of old-school craftsmanship. Hull Oaks is a living museum, a testament to a bygone era of lumber production. It's amazing to see a mill like this still operating, and those guys clearly know their stuff. It's a step back in time, a place where skilled workers transform massive logs into beautiful lumber, using techniques that have been passed down through generations.
Okay, great.
All models in the Rex 4V series boast a modern, air-conditioned cabin prioritizing safety and comfort for operators during work. With a fresh appearance and redesigned cabin, these tractors offer an improved working environment with better visibility, enhanced features, and precise controls, making front or rear attachment operations easier and quicker. Meticulously crafted for maximum comfort, the cabin can also be equipped with a level 4 protection layer for operators during fertilizing activities, ensuring complete safety in a sensor-monitored environment. This bicycle marks the edge of a sinkhole. Thankfully, no one was hurt. On icy and snowy roads, safety comes first when driving. Can you believe it? The Kobelco excavator is sliding down the slope like the wind. This excavator looks exhausted. It could really use a break. Hurry up, get moving, buddy. Dancing excavators on a construction site. From the Ann Trokes' Pretty Big Dig, ballet dancer excavator excavators dancing balletto ballet. This must be the most healing moment for the excavator. That could have been easily avoided with an experienced operating engineer, preferably union. Nothing can stop sheer determination. Ever wondered how hardwood lumber is made? Take a tour of a modern U.S. sawmill. In a typical sawmill, 15 to 25 dedicated workers produce 5 to 8 million feet of lumber annually. Every day, log trucks roll in to be unloaded, sorted, and measured. The loader operator, always on the move, keeps the debarker in feed full and ensures a steady flow into the mill. The debarking station, the first step, strips logs of bark, which contains dirt and grit. After debarking, logs pass through a metal detector. Logs with metal are set aside to prevent saw blade damage. The removed bark is ground up and sold as landscaping material. The precision and teamwork here are nothing short of amazing. The JCB TM320S Agri wheel loader is a top choice for agriculture. With a max lift capacity of 3,200 kilograms, lift height of 5.2 m, and engine power of 112 kilowatts, it ensures efficient operation. Its large bucket capacity and fast travel speed of 50 kph enhance productivity. Weighing 8,142 kilograms, it offers power and agility for agricultural tasks. Wow, more processes in a single step. In the face of advancing technology, modern plows have revolutionized agricultural methods, enabling farmers to achieve higher yields with less labor. These machines harness cutting-edge technology and are meticulously designed to operate across diverse soil conditions, from hard clay to loose sand, with utmost precision and efficiency.
Welcome to the world of giant woodcutters. Witness the jaw-dropping power and speed of advanced machines transforming forestry. Get ready to be amazed. Let's dive in.
Watching those massive logs getting stacked in Northwest Oregon is impressive. Transporting cedar wood on a logging truck is no easy feat, but with expert shovel skills, they're loading those big logs efficiently. Yoda behind the controls gets it done. As the long logging truck moves, snow starts falling again at an elevation of 1,500 feet, adding to the dramatic scene. Imagine a towering dead tree, its brittle branches a hazard waiting to happen. Enter the Bandit 1990 XP, a machine with a mission. Its powerful jaws clamp down on the trunk, and the chipper's teeth begin to spin. In a whirlwind of wood chips, the tree disappears, leaving behind a clean, safe work site. This isn't just a chipper, it's a protector, a guardian of both the environment and the people who work in it. Watching the monster log sawmill in action is a mesmerizing blend of raw power and beauty. This is the most stunning piece of wood I've ever seen, with its inner beauty truly shining through. A couple of those slabs would make a gorgeous table. However, I couldn't help but notice that the workers lacked proper protective gear. Safety glasses are not expensive these days. This setup clearly isn't in the US, where our saw operators work from high-tech booths with lasers, HVAC, and remote joystick controls. It's shocking to see workers handling slabs by hand without proper safety measures. Witnessing this moment is jaw-dropping. This tree is 60 feet long. It's crazy, but I believe Hull Oaks Lumber Mill out in Dawson, Oregon, handles logs like this. I had no idea anyone milled logs that long. The guy grabbing them with his hands is a real badass. He probably weighed 100 pounds when he started. That slab at the end must weigh 5 tons. Seriously though, this is one hell of an operation. Next time I need 60-foot, 5-ton slabs of Douglas fir, you guys are my go-to. Krohn's Model Fill. Invest in efficiency with the Krohn's Model Fill bottle filling machine. Perfect for beverage producers, its compact design and customizable features ensure seamless integration into any production line. Priced competitively around $200,000, it offers precise filling and robust reliability. John Deere 750K. Looking at the John Deere 750K, at around $250,000, it's a solid investment. With dimensions of approximately 17 feet long, 8.5 feet wide, and a blade width of 104 inches, it's perfect for precision grading and earth moving. Meet the HF260D water drilling rig, an essential for geothermal and water well projects. Powered by a 22 HP diesel engine with an integrated mud pump, it drills 8,300 millimeter diameters up to 150 meters deep. Priced at $3,680, it includes 100 meters of 51 millimeter drill pipe and alloy drill bits. Ideal for precise drilling in diverse terrains, it's a must-have for professionals seeking reliability and efficiency. The 2017 Hyster H50 XT is a powerhouse in industrial machinery. Featuring a 5,000 lb capacity, robust 83-189 triple mass, and dimensions tailored for efficiency, it's perfect for demanding tasks. With recent servicing, new pneumatic tires, and fresh paint, it's priced competitively for its quality and readiness. Liebherr LRS 545. Navigating the demands of logistics, the Liebherr LRS 545 emerges as a leader with versatile capabilities. Spanning dimensions tailored for port operations, it stands out with a lifting capacity of 30 tons and a stacking height of up to 8.9 meters. Starting at approximately $300,000, its robust build and top-view camera system ensure operational safety and efficiency, making it a preferred choice for handling containers and bulk goods. The Salsco TP44, a compact yet powerful asphalt paver designed for residential projects. It adjusts from 6 inches to 7 feet wide with optional screed extensions. Priced at around $30,000, its 44-inch paving width and free-floating screed make tight corners a breeze. Number 19, Queen Mary 2. Did you know the Queen Mary 2 cost around $300,000 per berth to build? That's a testament to its luxury and quality. Designed for transatlantic crossings, it's built with 40% more steel for durability and stability. With a top speed of over 30 knots and a cruising speed of 26 knots, she's faster than most cruise ships. The integrated electric propulsion system using diesel engines and gas turbines is a technological masterpiece. Number 20, PR 776 Latronic. The Liebherr PR 776 Latronic Crawler Dozer, the ultimate machine for tough jobs like ripping, transporting materials, and grading. It has an operating weight of up to 73,189 kilograms and a blade capacity of 22 cubic meters. The heart of this beast is a 565 kilowatts, 12-cylinder engine, providing a massive 768 GP. With all Liebherr components working in harmony, this dozer offers unparalleled reliability and efficiency. Number 11, massive SGC 250. The SGC 250 by Sarenz redefines heavy lifting with its colossal capacity and innovative design. With a jaw-dropping maximum load moment of 250,000 metric tons and the ability to lift 5,000 tons, this crane sets new standards in heavy lifting. Its flexibility, with a main boom extendable up to 160M and jib up to 100M, ensures it's ready for any job. Number 20, wow, this Menk M150 Morph LC is a true classic. Love the old school charm of these drag lines. That bucket capacity is impressive, and the way it effortlessly slices through the earth is mesmerizing. It's a real testament to German engineering. Number 21, fantastic to see Turkey's first VCS 5400 chip spreader hitting the market. Vimpo has really outdone themselves with a machine designed for local conditions, offering faster service and easy access to spare parts. This is a big step forward for the industry. Number 22. The MJ47 is an impressive machine that stands out in any large quarry setting. Its heavy-duty vibrating grizzly feeder and 200 HP motor provide exceptional crushing power. The modular design simplifies setup and operation, making it perfect for contractors aiming to maximize efficiency and output. A true powerhouse in every sense. TP44TD Mini Asphalt Track Paver, engineered for precision paving. Featuring a hydraulic end gate and designed to fit into a 48 trench, it's ideal for sidewalks and trails. With a competitive price tag of approximately $50,000, it offers exceptional value and performance. Compactor ZC200 looking for top-notch performance? The compactor ZC200, priced at $75,000, offers outstanding specs. $15,000 lb weight, 20-ton load capacity, and a 150 kN compaction force. It's built in the USA and measures 12 ID x8 x 6x. A game changer in industrial compaction. DPJ3500. Investing in the DPJ3500 means investing in reliability and efficiency at a reasonable cost. Its dimensions are tailored for industrial use, making it a solid choice for those seeking robust performance and cost-effectiveness. The Royer 112, priced at $15,000, is a game changer in manual loading. It processes up to 12 cubic yards per hour with the exclusive royeration process. Compact and lightweight, it's easy to maneuver. Choose between a gasoline engine or an electric motor. Ham HD8VV. For $35,000, the Ham HD8VV is a fantastic choice. Weighing 1.6 tons with a 31.5-inch drum width, it's designed for optimal performance in confined areas. This double vibratory roller ensures high-quality compaction, making it a reliable and efficient tool for contractors. Genie S60. The Genie S60, priced around $80,000, boasts a working height of 66 ft and a lift capacity of 500 lbs. Weighing in at 22,650 lbs, its robust design and performance make it ideal for construction projects. Manufactured in the USA, its 8FTX 2.5 FT platform provides stability and reach. Thanks for the Sandvik DP1500i, a smart choice for enhanced productivity. Its optimized center of gravity and advanced controls ensure stability and precision drilling. Priced competitively at approximately $500,000, it's designed for efficiency and durability in tough conditions. Epirock's Leopard DI650i is on my radar for our next expansion. High-capacity production drilling is exactly what we need, and the specs look promising. The initial investment will be substantial, but if it lives up to the claims of increased productivity and reduced downtime, it could be a significant ROI booster. Explore the Mazak HCN 5000. Designed for stability and reduced vibration, it offers a wide travel range and multiple tool capacity options. Equipped with Mazak's multi-pallet pool system for automated production and readiness for pallet tech, it optimizes floor space and boosts operational efficiency. RB6000, where power meets precision in scrap processing. Packed with a 26 FT3 in-oar crane and capable of lifting 6,500 lbs, its heavy-duty design guarantees longevity and strength. With dimensions tailored for maneuverability and a price point that reflects its superior capabilities, it's the ultimate choice for achieving mil-spec bales and high-density logs, perfect for maximizing productivity in any setting. Atlas Copco ROC-L8 is a compact powerhouse with dimensions that ensure maneuverability without compromising on performance. With a drilling diameter of up to 102 millimeters and a price that offers great value for its capabilities, it's a smart choice for projects needing efficiency and precision. Hitachi ZEX 350. Packed with power and precision, the Hitachi ZEX 350 stands out with its impressive lifting capacity and efficient fuel consumption. Its dimensions ensure it navigates job sites smoothly, while its competitive pricing makes it a practical choice for construction projects aiming for productivity without compromising on quality. Pumping slurry. Got the pumping slurry machine for $30K. Weighs 250 kg and fits well with its 180 cm x 90 cm x 110 cm size. Handles up to 50 L of slurry like a champ. Perfect for any heavy-duty job. Made in the USA and super reliable. Number 23, just checked out the Eberhard Volvo L350H, and it looks fantastic. The 285 kilowatt engine and the large bucket capacity make it ideal for heavy lifting and material handling. The advanced features like the load sensing system enhance productivity and save energy. Excellent choice for any heavy-duty application. Number 24. The BM410 is a game changer for brick production. This fully automatic mobile machine makes it so easy to produce clay or mud bricks anywhere and anytime. Just load the raw materials, start the machine, and let it do the rest. Perfect for on-site construction needs. Number 25, holy moly. This Ducker Dam is a game changer. That 250-degree rotating arm and 32-foot reach on the 1050 mean I can mow ditches, trim trees, and even reach over fences without leaving my seat. Talk about saving time in my back. Number 26, just saw the Mobis Faltaflieger in action, and it's impressive. The folding trailer design is a game changer for managing timber loads and navigating challenging terrain. The quick fold and unfold process is efficient and makes a big difference in tight areas. Definitely a must-have for loggers. It's clear that when cutting down trees, this lumberjack should have cleared away potential falling obstacles. Luckily, that ladder didn't come crashing down on his head. Talk about a forestry dream team. This Lesnaprace crew is rocking it with the Highlander HL21, Komatsu 875, and Equus 175. That Highlander is a beast on slopes with its crazy 272 kN pulling force and self-leveling system. The Komatsu's got the muscle for hauling massive loads, and the Equus is nimble and quick for those tight spots. This trio is a force to be reckoned with in the woods, a team of machines and operators working in perfect harmony to harvest nature's bounty. Picture a mountain of firewood, a daunting task for any splitter. But with the Timberwolf Alpha 6, that mountain becomes a molehill. The machine's hydraulics hum with power as the box wedge effortlessly cleaves through log after log. The operator, a seasoned pro, barely breaks a sweat as the woodpile grows steadily smaller. This isn't just a splitter, it's a testament to the power of innovation and the relentless spirit of American craftsmanship. Wow, watching videos of excavators effortlessly removing massive tree stumps always captivates viewers, like witnessing magic unfold before our eyes. Their effectiveness and powerful operation are simply mesmerizing. Well, just imagine the sheer size and weight of this colossal log. Using a Komatsu WA452LL wheel loader to lift it onto the log truck was a daring and challenging feat with a hint of danger. Yet, they managed to pull it off successfully in the end. The Nizla 555C, Volvo 145, and Flex 14 combo is a testament to engineering excellence. The 555C head's cutting and delimbing precision is top-notch, while the Volvo 145's hydraulic system is smooth and responsive. But it's the Flex 14 undercarriage that really sets this machine apart. The low ground pressure and exceptional traction make it a beast on any terrain. This is a system that's built to perform, no matter the challenge. That NOE 176R is a beast. This forestry company's put it through its paces with 6,000 hours on the clock, and it's still tackling thick hardwood like a champ. The Epsilon X120 F102 crane, with a 10.2 meter reach, and that 1.7 Me-Too clamping bench are perfect for handling those hefty logs. Plus, with 193 horsepower and dual 16-ton winches, this thing is a powerhouse. I'm digging the French equipment package too. Makes it even more rugged for those tough jobs. It's clear this machine is built to last and can handle just about anything you throw at it in the woods. Hey, they seems to want to celebrate early. Maybe he can't carry this burden across the river. It looks like this truck has its own extreme unloading style. Oh, look at him fumbling with his leg. Was it luck or the driver's skill? The truck stayed upright for quite a while.
정말. 비디오스나요?
It seems like this truck might be drunk. Crab walking sideways is also a good option. The driver's urgency and irritation are palpable as they tackle this wood hauling task. What a hectic scene. Oh my god, this vehicle must have had a terrifying experience. I hope the driver's alright. Like children playing in water, these trucks are having a blast wading through the river. They each cross the river with the same strength and power they possess. Even though they encounter a few minor issues, they support each other and make it through smoothly.
Пацаны наши якутские отчаянные ребята. Молодцы.
Collective strength, surely success is just around the corner. This truck is gliding through the air smoothly. Kleeman Crusher. On a construction site, the Kleeman Crusher shines, weighing 72,000 kD and featuring a 1/200 x 800mm jaw opening. It crushes rock with ease. Manufactured in Germany and priced at $750,000, it's a reliable, high-performance machine for any major project. Komatsu D155W crawler dozer, crafted for maximum efficiency and durability. Manufactured with precision in Komatsu's facilities, it boasts a 10.8 cubic meters blade capacity and a hefty 36,500 kilogram weight. Ideal for heavy earth-moving tasks, it's priced competitively to deliver exceptional value. Vogel 6-90. From its versatile capabilities in handling road and airport surfaces of varying widths, 2.0 m to 9.5 m, to depths up to 450 mm, the Vogela 690 proves indispensable for large-scale construction projects. It's a game-changer in efficiency and cost-effectiveness. ProTech 300 contractors. Meet your new best friend. This fully hydraulic rear-mounted post driver. With a 350 kilos hammer, hydraulic telescopic slew, and mass tilts, it's designed for precision and power. Optional rock spike, extractor kit, and counterweights enhance versatility. Price, $18,000. Dimensions, 3 m x 1.5 meters x 2 meters. Crushers TC50. Considering the TC50 crushers, they deliver impressive crushing power in a compact design, perfect for on-site versatility. Their competitive pricing makes them a standout choice for budget-conscious projects. In a Swiss field, a solar-powered robot resembling a wheeled table scans rows of crops with its cameras, identifies weeds, and destroys them with blue liquid jets from its mechanical tentacles. Despite being a manual tool, its performance rivals that of large-scale harvesting machines. The hydraulic system and conveyor prevent bins and pallets from touching the ground, reducing lifting and creating more opportunities for women in the workforce. DOT Technology's autonomous agricultural platform seamlessly integrates implements onto its vehicle body, reducing costs and emissions by over 20%. The U-shaped frame enables direct loading, optimizing efficiency. The consistent corn harvesting process, running smoothly like clockwork every year, has spurred the development of the highest capacity machines on the market. These machines are now operating at maximum capacity to guarantee a bountiful harvest this season. In the watermelon fields where technology isn't prevalent, farmers continue to work happily. Oh my god, luckily there was no one in that excavator. Just looking at the E101E excavator is making me dizzy already. Can you guess if he'll manage to land successfully? It's actually a perfect example of people who carry an extra load on their shoulders, but keep going to not let others down. A dramatic showdown between a dinosaur and a mammoth. The rock this cat excavator is trying to scoop is almost as big as the machine itself. After being pulled up, the truck rolled down the slope, but miraculously avoided crashing. He's trying to hold onto his vehicle in vain. In a surprising twist, the 950G excavator is now rocking the catwalk, upside down. Three, two, one, bow. The driver probably has gotten used to maneuvering like this. Incredible. That crane and truck are teetering like they're in the world's most dangerous seesaw game. Unleash the power of the Steel Maximo and conquer any terrain effortlessly. With its triple front-mounted weed brush spanning up to 3 meters wide, this machine makes light work of larger areas. Featuring brush diameters of 3 by 110 centimeters and adjustable working widths from 230 to 310 centimeters, it requires a minimum of 90 horsepower and easily connects to a tractor. With cabin-adjustable brush unit positions and rotation directions, tackling surrounding areas is a breeze in a single pass. The Warren's Delta planter features precise seed distribution for even planting and high germination rates. It offers adjustable planting depth to suit various crops and includes automated fertilization to save time and effort. Additionally, its GPS tracking system ensures straight rows and prevents overlap, making it an efficient and reliable choice for modern farming. Maximizing crop productivity and safeguarding against water-related issues demands an effective drainage system, combining vertical pipes and subsurface channels. The Grime Techron 415 potato harvester is one of Grime's most popular self-propelled potato harvesting models, specifically designed for large-scale potato farms. Equipped with a modern, efficient harvesting system, it ensures high productivity while minimizing losses. With a 15-ton bunker and a powerful 490 GP engine from Mercedes-Benz, it optimizes potato harvesting operations. The Balehawk, an autonomous bale mover designed to streamline field operations. With advanced sensors and LiDAR technology, it precisely locates and moves bales with ease. Say goodbye to manual labor and hello to efficiency. Number 15, Weiler B758. Weiler B758 track feller bunchers provide industry-leading lift capacity throughout full reach, a key benefit in large timber. With powertrain features, a Cat C9 engine certified to EPA Tier 3, primary, secondary, and tertiary fuel filters, including water separator. A robust undercarriage utilizes proven components, customized for demanding forestry conditions while maintaining industry-leading ground clearance. Number 16, Zoomlion QAA 2000. Zoomlion's QAA 2000 crane, first seen at Bauma, China 2012, has redefined heavy lifting. After passing rigorous tests, it lifted 750 tons at a 10-meter radius. Tailored for wind power construction, this crane includes groundbreaking features like a honeycomb frame structure and more than 80 patents. The QAI 2000 is a powerful testament to Zoomlion's innovative spirit. Number 17, Big Bud 950. The Big Bud 950 50th is back and better than ever, thanks to a rebuild by Big Equipment Company. Upgraded from a Big Bud 525 50th, it now features a Cat 3508 engine, delivering 950 GP. With Goodyear DT 930 tires and a weight of around 40 tons, this tractor is designed for heavy-duty farming. Its automatic steering system ensures precision and efficiency, making it a top choice for farmers looking to maximize productivity. Number 18, ACO 600 UBAS. ACO 600 UBAS, Africa's biggest tractor. Built in 1994 by Al from Coos-Coetzer, it's sad that the ACO factory closed, but the legacy of these tractors lives on, with a 25-ton base weight and a V12 ADE 444 Ti engine, producing 820 GP. This machine was designed to handle the toughest jobs. Let's witness the incredible power of forestry tractors, like the Valtra, John Deere 1110D, and Timberjack 810B, operating in wet, muddy conditions with water running in large ruts. Despite their old, rusted appearance, these machines showcase undeniable engine strength. Which forestry tractor are you a fan of? Let us know your thoughts. Number 27. The Palm's grapple is incredibly versatile and efficient. The ability to lift, move, and load various materials with ease is amazing. The 360-degree rotation allows for great maneuverability, and it's built to last with its high-strength steel construction. Perfect for improving productivity in forestry and recycling. Number 28. The Hydrema 912 GS rail combines power, stability, and comfort in one machine. Perfect for rail tracks with its flexible rail modules and AS7502 compliance. The high performance and large payload capacity make it a standout choice for any rail maintenance task. Number 29, hydrogen power meets snow grooming with the Priant Lightwolf H2 Motion. Its 13-liter hydrogen ice engine delivers 338 kWh, 460 HP, offering familiar performance for operators and technicians. Number 30, impressive performance and versatility from Proxy Trade, SP's sleeper replacement tool. Its ability to dig into track ballast and reduce labor costs makes it a valuable asset. The clamp force and compatibility with various sleepers are top-notch.
Und jetzt werden wir nur schnell. Perfekt.
That lumberjack made quick work of those logs with that MS462. But check out the real star of the show, the John Deere 1270G with the H415 head. This machine is a beast. I've run one myself, and that 8-wheel drive system is a game changer on rough terrain. It's stable, powerful, and the H415 head is a workhorse. This combo is a dream for any logger looking to boost productivity. This is the future of sustainable logging. Witnessing those majestic horses working in harmony with the Palm's grapple loader is truly inspiring. Not only is it a low-impact, eco-friendly approach, but it's also incredibly efficient. The grapple loader's power pack and log trailer combo make light work of heavy logs, while the horses provide the muscle and maneuverability. This is a testament to how traditional methods and modern technology can work together for a greener future. Haas VF2. Looking to boost productivity in your shop? The Haas VF2 Vertical Machining Center is your answer. With a high-power 30 HP spindle and rapid speeds up to 25.4 min and mn, it ensures precise milling and efficient operations. Starting at around $60,000. This USA-made workhorse features a 20-station tool changer, 15's color LCD monitor, and customizable options to fit your exact needs. GEA Smart Packer CX400. Upgrade your packaging with the GEA Smart Packer CX400, priced at $150,000. This German-engineered machine handles 70 mealy, 400 milliliter bags at 120 bags per minute. Ideal for meats, veggies, and cheese. It boasts over 98% uptime and rapid 5-minute format changes. A top choice for reliability and efficiency. The Blast Viking SH2560L is a powerhouse in surface preparation. Priced around $100,000, it weighs 1,500 kg and features a blast width of 2.5 meters, with dimensions of 2.6 mi x 1.8 mi x 1.5 mil. It's designed for efficiency and precision in removing coatings and rust from large surfaces. X1100RH. The AUSA self-loading mixer. X1100RH excels with its 1.1 M3 capacity and Isuzu engine, 33.8 kW. Priced competitively, it features permanent 4.WD full grip R for safety, rear wheel turning for maneuverability, and a 400-liter water tank for extended operation. Ideal for narrow spaces, it's a cost-effective choice for efficient concrete mixing. The new OMI PS by Tyman Aluminium Tipping Dry Ball. Tankers offer outstanding efficiency for $150,000. With a capacity of 60 cubic meters and a lightweight, durable design, these tankers ensure optimal payload and fuel efficiency. Perfect for bulk hauling, they combine cost-effectiveness with top-tier performance. D8001S. This 1,200 kilo machine, priced at $45,000, is perfect for efficient cutting and drilling. Low power consumption and easy programming make it a great addition to any workshop. The 13.5, 17.5 kWh vacuum turbine is a standout feature. Highly recommended. Unveiling the Liebherr R946, built for superior performance in construction. Featuring a $240 kilo engine and a hefty 46-ton operating weight, it's crafted in Germany to excel in earth-moving tasks. With dimensions of 3.2 meter x 11.2 meter and priced around $400,000, it's the ultimate choice for efficiency and productivity.